All right, good morning, everybody. Good morning. It's another ski season out here in Colorado, and a majority of the major ski resorts have already opened. Today, Vail and Eldora are both opening for their 60th season, and I'm actually going to be driving up to Eldora, which is about 30 minutes west of Boulder, and going to be enjoying some opening day turns there with a buddy of mine. I know the snow's not going to be the greatest, but as far as pretty much all of Colorado goes, opening days have been going earlier and earlier. Actually, Eldora was supposed to open next week, and the season has just been going so well for a lot of other resorts that they just decided to open 1 week earlier as well. And yeah, that's it. Let's get skiing. Let's get to Eldora, you guys. Let's go. Alright gang, so we just pulled up to the mountain itself, and I gotta say the parking lot is not packed right now whatsoever. It's 8:34 right now, so it's just a little under a half hour from opening, and there's not too many people here, which is, in my opinion, pretty awesome. I'm also sure that Vail's pulling a lot of the snowboard and ski crowds on opening day Friday and Veterans Day itself, but I think I kind of lucked out for being up at Eldora. There's only going to be one run up here open, and that is the Hornblower to International top to bottom blue run. And other than that, besides the terrain park, there really is nothing else open, and there's no beginner terrain open as well. So we just had this one run open today. Another new addition to Eldora actually this year that they were gonna plan for last year but waited because of COVID is a $10 fee for people that are driving by themselves or single vehicle occupancy. So if you're gonna be driving up here on a holiday, Saturday, Sunday, or any day that has 10 or more inches of fresh powder, they're gonna charge you $10 at the gate when you first come in here if you're a single occupancy vehicle. On those days this year, be sure to kind of carpool if you can, or even take the shuttles lower down in Boulder or even at the Eldora school itself. That'll help you guys out to save some money. Either way though, I'm just happy to be back up here. Let's throw our ski stuff on, get on the mountain. I'm gonna go meet my buddy Brandon right now. Let's have a day. All right, you guys, kind of already messed up this morning. Forgot my jacket at the house. So I had to go into the rental store, and Jake in the rental shop, big ups to you because he helped me find this pullover, and he even knew that I was trying to save some money, save some time. So he hooked me up with this jacket. It's only 50 bucks. And for it being Veterans Day, I thought it'd be really cool to wear something camo. So for all you vets out there, thank you so much for all you've done for us. Gonna get my gear on right now, head to the mountain, meet my buddy Brandon, and try not to waste too much more time, but it's a beautiful day out. Let's go enjoy. First run of the season, let's do a big top to bottom for you guys. All right, so pumped to be back at Eldora, my buddy here. Let's just enjoy some turns. Snow's not too bad, not even that icy. Early morning, it's usually pretty icy up here at Eldora, especially with the high winds that they have, but right now, not too bad. Oh yeah. Feels good to be back on the sticks. Couple washed out sections right there. Woo, little icy, little ice in that shadow. Just so good to be back on the skis. Woo. First time I've ever waxed her to my skis, and I feel pretty good right now. I think I did all right for my first go around. Here's a little fun section downhill. You can get some good speed on this one right here. See how the snow is if you want to turn too hard. It's good though. It's not bad snow on opening day, guys. It is not bad. Little kicker. Woo! Coming up on that terrain park near the 10 Barrel Cafe down here. Another slow zone. Take it easy, take it easy. Got the wheelboard part going. I definitely cannot do that. So props to you guys that can. But that's the lap right there, everybody. That's the lap we got. Let's keep doing it. And that was lap number 1, everybody, for the season. Let's go.
Y'all gonna get done up front, knowing that kid with an attitude, but you can't really blame this motherfucker. He's doing what he had to do. I'm about that cash stripping, I'm getting it on and off the market. Not about that VIP, not me, not never been a fan of carpets. All about that RIP for all of my Jesus gone departed. All about that finish what I started. I'm about that. Top down, like you're not ready. We ride, we're not happy. So high, we'll see the whole city. We all the night. Top down, like you're not ready. We ride, we're not happy. So high, we'll see the whole city. We all the night. Know that I'm about it. Want I mean, I can bring the drama, but it ain't by chance. I'm fucking rapping. You don't really want a problem. Made a little cash in the back end, but still rap like homie starving. Yeah, y'all gotta ask who the man is. Hope I'm gonna be like, beg your pardon. I'm about them 2 cities with me, rapping them hardest.
So after a couple laps, you guys, I gotta say that this snow up here actually is not too bad. I mean, usually opening day, especially for a lot of places, whether it's Colorado, Utah, anywhere else, east or west coast, you're gonna have a lot of icy conditions just because a lot of the snow is manufactured. But because it had a few dumps of snow these last few days, I mean, it's helping a lot. Just so good to be back out here. Me and Brandon get back at it, enjoy these views, and keep turning. Buddy and I have done about 8 or 9 runs so far off this lift, and it's been just a great day, you guys. Great to come back up here and enjoy the snow and the views that Eldora has to offer. Just so excited for the ski season in general, but we're gonna do a couple more laps, I think, on this one run. Enjoying it so far throughout the day, and there hasn't been too many people, which I'm actually very surprised about. It's Friday, and I know it's not the greatest conditions yet, but the fact that there still isn't that many people up here just makes the one run that we have even more sweet. So we're gonna keep enjoying this run right now. Maybe do a couple more laps and then head home, enjoying every single turn. All right, gang, we just made it back to the car. Oh, one tradition we can't forget today. I mean, I know I forgot a jacket earlier today, but we can't forget one tradition. One tradition I always have is LaCroix at the end of the day. So, raspberry. So real quick, you guys, I just want to say that I had a blast being up here with my buddy, doing some laps, doing some turns, and just realizing how much fun it really is to ski here in Colorado, or really anywhere for that matter. A ski resort especially is a place where I think everyone comes to just have a good time, and it's like, it's almost hard to find people that are in a bad mood. But either way, I'm gonna finish this LaCroix, drive back down to the house, and hopefully hang out with the wife the rest of this afternoon. But I just want to thank you guys so much again for tuning in. This really means a lot, and hope you guys are really enjoying these videos. If you have any critique or anything you want to see or anywhere you want me to go this year, feel free to comment down below. I'm gonna wrap up this one for you guys, head back down to Arvada, and we're gonna call it a day. But I just want to thank you so much again for watching. Hope to see you in a boot. We'll see you guys in the next one.